In this video, I show you how to fix CapCut could not load tap to try again problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for CapCut, click on CapCut, update your CapCut app if available any update version. Now search for 111 ppm, click on it. Now click on install it. Then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Scroll down, find out CapCut app, click on CapCut, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear the storage, then delete. Now open VPN app, click on next, accept, install VPN profile, OK. Not now. Now click on connect, wait for connecting. Now open CapCut app, agree and continue. Okay, skip. Now I hope that this method fix could not load tap to try again problem on CapCut. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.